Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this fancy dress in Dress to Impress without VIP. Okay, this is for the dress guys, and I'm going to show you how I made this one. To make the tutorial faster guys, I'm going to immediately show you the items you need to put on to create this fancy dress. Okay, these are the items you need to put on. Start from this withered rose skirt. You can choose only skirt, no layer, and for the color you're going to make it like this for the first selection and also the second selection, and then you're going to change the material to glitter and then put on the skirt from the world culture update. Make it the same color and make the material glitter and combine it with this dress. Choose only skirt, and for the color you're going to make it this color and make it glitter. And then the skirt, still from the world culture update, make it this color. And then for this skirt, this one, you can combine it with this one and make it this color for the first selection. Second selection and third selection, make it this brown color. This is for the ribbon, and again you're going to make it glitter. All right, and then you're going to combine it with this top. This is from the Makeover set, and you're going to remove everything but the details. You can leave the details, and this is for the color. Okay, and that's it. You will create this fancy gown, and you can use this gown or this dress for royal theme or princess theme or any theme that match with this outfit. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.